Hey everyone, very good evening बच्चों. Welcome to Rio classes. Yes, the very another important and very interesting live session is going to start for BCom 4th and 6th semester. This semester, this live session is going to be very interactive. Reason behind, but we are going to solve the process costing. Okay, we are going to solve the process costing, and we are going to solve the product, byproduct. What kind of questions you are going to get? All right, bacho. So very important live sessions. Those who are watching on the YouTube, please like Madri, share Madri, and subscribe Madri. And bacho, today there may be a probably last class on this. Last class in the sense, this byproduct thing, process costing ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು last class ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? Okay bacha. So here is the question. Where is the question? So those who are watching, please like, share and subscribe my dear lovely student. Hold on. I'm just uploading the question now that has Mate exam is getting closer and closer, but those who are watching those who are planning for MBA PGCT ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಿರಲ್ಲ PGCT ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, that thing is very important. PGCT ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right? And special ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, we are going to ensure you that you get a ranking in your final exams. ಆಮೇಲೆ PGCT ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಂತೂ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಬಚ್ಚೋ. Here is the byproduct thing, but prior to that I want to solve a complete problem that has all the things, right? Everything, including finished goods, including everything, statement of profit and loss account ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ, after teaching this ಬಚ್ಚೋ, what I want to do is that I want to solve the next problem, that is byproduct. Sometimes you may get show the income statement ಅಂತ. Alright, ಚಲೋ. आईना तेरी याद हमको, right? So Monday. So here is the question, bacho. Can you hear me, my dear lovely student? Is I am audible to you, everyone? Hurrat, finally Hurrat is back. आईना तेरी याद हमको. Ayan, my boy, how are you? कैसा है मेरा बच्चा?
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग. दिस सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी 1 आवर का होगा. प्लीज गेट रेडी बच्चा. सो अब इस सेशंस में बच्चा यहाँ पर जस्ट हैव अ लुक. द पवन product of the product of Pawan Company Limited passes through two process. Like we have two process here, process A and process B, right? And then finished stock. It is ascertained that in each process normally 5% of total weight is lost. This is normal loss. 10% is scrapped. Out of this 5%, 10% agte scrap ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which realize for from the process A at 160 per ton. So 10% whatever the scrap we have, right, they realize it for 160 per ton and 400 per ton from process B. We have only two processes, but it has so many things in it. ठीक है? So I'll be little bit छोटा हो जाऊंगा अभी. चलो ये ठीक है जी. चलो. So guys, what is next? Next ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, the following are the figures related to both process. What are the both process? We have material introduced 2000 in units, they said, right? It's in units. Remember this. इतना मोटा क्यों हो गया रे? In units, 2000 units and 340 units. All right, and cost of material per unit, that's 250 and 400. 250 and 400. Wages are 3,60,000 and 2 lakh. 3,60,000 and 2 lakh. Manufacturing expenses. manufacturing expenses are 1,60,000 and 1,05,000. Output is, yes, units they said 1,660 and 1,560. Prepare process cost accounting showing the cost per unit of each process. Right, we have to process each process and abnormal loss account. Yes, bacho, we have to open this abnormal loss account if there is anything in the same time. So you will get like this. There is no stock of work in progress. So bacho, let's start now. Process A account. Particulars quantity. ठीक है, and next we have rate and amount. Particulars, quantity, rate and amount. ठीक है बच्चों, let's start the first now. What? Yes, my dear student, they have introduced units 2000 units at the rate of 250.
फाइव लाख.
Yes, मेरा बच्चा. How much?
5 lakh.
Next, yeah, we have wages. Wages 3,60,000. 3,60,000. Right. Next, we have manufacturing expenses here 1,60,000. $1,60,000. ठीक है, understood. Next is what? There is a normal loss, right? Right, normal loss we have 5% is a normal loss. Right, बच्चों 5% is normal loss. By normal loss 5% क्या कहते हैं? That is 2000 into 5%, 100 units. They are not able to solve this. They are not selling it. Right, but there is some scrap they are selling, right? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್? ಈಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ನಾವು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 10% ನೋಡಿ, 5% ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್. 10% ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್. 2000 into 10%, 200. And बच्चों, they are selling this for at what rate? They are selling it at 160. Now multiply it.
32,000.
32,000. ठीक है. And बच्चों, what we have next? We have output 1,660. That is output transferred by output transfer, right, to process B. Leave one line so that we can get abnormal loss bartalale. by output transfer. $1,660. But now we need to find out what abnormal loss. See, ನೋಡಿರಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಕೇಳಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ರಂಜಿತಾ, ಹಾಯ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್
5,70,000.
2,250. ना मेरा बच्चा 10,20,000. $10,20,000. ठीक है. Next, what we need to do that? Next, what we need to do that? बच्चों, केरले. First, we have to find out abnormal loss. How much abnormal loss we have? Abnormal loss. Tell me, what is the abnormal loss, बच्चों? 2,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ just minus this and this. You will get some abnormal loss, right? कितना आएगा इस बरते? माता रिपब्लिक बेगा. We are running out of time, my dear lovely student. बेगा बेगा हेड रही. Hmm.
40, sir.
Is that 40?
हाँ sir.
$2,000 minus 100 minus 200, 40. So now what we need to do that, my dear student, we need to find out cost per unit. Correct? Cost per unit. So what we can do, just have a look. बच्चों. Cost per unit of abnormal loss. So that is total cost minus scrap value.
$9,88,000.
1 second. Divided by, बच्चों remember, divided by total cost minus normal loss. $10,20,000 minus 32,000. Divide by total input. Correct? 2,000 minus what we have. Listen, Kedri, 100 and 200. That is 200. 300. $10,20,000 minus 32,000. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 9,88,000 divided by 2,000 minus 300, that is 1,700 divided by 1,700. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 581.17. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಡ್?
Yes, sir.
चलो 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 मेरा बच्चा. Just multiplied 581.17 into ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ 581.17 into multiply by 40, that comes 23,246 or
247.
जी मेरा बच्चा. Done. Understood?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts you have, Shivu?
No, sir.
तू एकला छे ना इधर. Okay, can I go for the next?
Okay, sir.
चलो process 2. Process B. Particulars, input, you can say rate and amount. Output, rate and amount. So बच्चों first 2 transfer from where? Transfer from process. Which process बच्चों? Yes, input from process A, because we are transferring this, right? We are transferring this value. Input from process A. Oh my god, we have not mentioned the value here. Total matter 10,20,000 minus 32,000 minus 23,247. $9,64,753. $9,64,753. ठीक है. So बच्चों, let's start the next now. $340 inputs at the rate of 400. Material, $400 multiply ना 340 into 400, 1 lakh
1,36,000.
correct. Next we have wages. Correct, we have wages here. What is the wages? Wages is 2 lakh. Take it on the debit side, I mean the 2 lakh. Manufacturing expenses, manufacturing expenses, 1,05,000. 1,05,000. Next we have output here. But बच्चों, each process has normal loss, right? Normal loss how much? 5% normal loss we have. Correct? 5% normal loss we have. Five percent normal loss of total weight. That means again, my dear student. So if you add up these two, by normal loss. Okay? We have normal loss here. So what is the normal loss? Normal loss is normal loss ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you can take it like this: 1660 plus 340, 2000. 2000 ಮೇಲೆ 5% ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100 by scrap. What is scrap बच्चा? 10%. 10% is scrap. Again 2000 into 10%, 200. For how much they have sold? They sold it for 40 per ton. Correct? 40 per ton. $200 into 40, that comes 8,000. Yes or no? Yes or no बच्चों? 8,000. Understood? Chalo. Next, there is some output here. What is output we have? 1,560 is output. By output transfer to finished goods. What we have? 1,560. But so tell me, yeah, again I think I can see that there is a loss here. Abnormal loss. So we have 2,000 here. Nine six four zero seven five three. One second. You take this 2,000 first. Total multiply this side. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ total on the debit side first. First you make a total on the debit side. ठीक है बच्चों? abnormal loss. Tell me what is the abnormal loss we have. First, tell me what is the abnormal loss we have. Minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಗ 2000 minus 1560, 200, 100, that is 140. 140 is abnormal loss we have. Understood? Understood बच्चों? Now
Yes, sir.
abnormal loss cost per unit, that is 14 lakh 5,753 minus 8,000. Remember this, 8,000.
13 lakh 97,753.
कितना बेटा?
13,97,753.
Okay. Now 2000 minus minus 300. That comes 1700. Right?
822.20.
Is that
Yes, sir.
822.20?
20.
Okay. So बच्चा multiply it 140 into 822.20.
1,15,109.
Yes, you are right. Oh, not 8, right? अर्थ आगे दिया.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. This is it. Now, what they are asking us to find out is that they want us to find out finished goods and abnormal loss. First, we'll open last account, that is finished goods. Particulars, right? Quantity, rate, and amount. ठीक है बच्चों. 2 output from process B. Correct? Somebody tell me what amount you will get it here. 14,05,753 minus 8,000 minus 1,15,108. It comes 12,80,645. Correct? 12 lakh. बच्चों tell me fast.
Yes, sir. Correct.
चेक करके देखना करेक्ट अमाउंट है ये. तेरी याद हमको. ओह, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग कंफ्यूज हियर. थोड़ा अमाउंट डिफरेंट आएगा ना बच्चों. दिस इज 400 वी हैव टेकन 40. माय गॉड. This will be 80,000. So tell me, minus हमारे पास रहेगी 14,05,753 minus 80,000. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 13,25,753.
779.85.
या मेरा बच्चा.
सर 780 कर सकते हैं राउंड फिगर.
हाँ 779.
85. राउंड फिगर करके
780 कर लेना.
ओ सर 780.
जी जी.
1,09,179.
1,09,000.
178.
Tell me what is difference amount we have here. 14,05,753 14,05,753 ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 80,000 minus 1,09,178
12 lakh 16,573.
12,16,575 आएगा देख 70 हाँ 75 आएगा. Got it? Understood?
हाँ सर.
1560 12,16,575 12,16,575. Right? So we have to open one more account now, that is abnormal loss account. Abnormal loss account. We have quantity, rate, and amount. Particulars, quantity, rate, and amount. So when they ask you how to prepare this, जब भी ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ना ಇದನ್ನು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? Everyone?
हाँ सर. Yes sir.
Very good मेरा बच्चा. चलो बच्चों, abnormal loss that they have done credit means here we have to debit abnormal loss account, that is like process A. What is abnormal loss? We have abnormal loss from process A is 40 units 5817. Amount was 23,275. ठीक है, 23,247. And those who have still not yet downloaded the app, download ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ 6th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚೋ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎನ್ಶೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ರಿಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. बच्चों, we have this one here 140 780. One lakh 9,178. All right, so that's it we have. Any doubts? No doubt. So what we need to do that, बच्चों, first you make a total of this now. Total ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 180 ಇದೆ. And value 23,247 plus 1,09,178 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1,32,425 ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾ सर ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು बच्चों? दिस नीड्स टू बी ट्रांसफर टू प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट. हाँ जी बोले क्या हुआ? 10 मिनट हुआ. राइट, सो इट्स नॉट इट ओवर हियर, जस्ट लुक एट दैट 180. ठीक है बच्चों, लिसन. प्रोसेस ए, व्हाट इज द abnormal loss we got? Tell me. Cost per unit, you can say that. सुनो केरले, we got, my dear student, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ, ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 160 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ 40 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, 160 ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ 6,400. And by process B, how many units? 140 units. ठीक है. And for how much they have sold scrap? Scrap they have sold it for बच्चों 400. Correct. So 140 into 400, it comes 56,000. Understood my dear student?
Yes, sir.
So remaining is profit and loss account, because we have 1,32,425. 1,32,425 minus 56,000, 6,400, 70,025. So this is your profit and loss account. Understood? Bacho, after this by 6:30 I'll take one more class on income tax, and this is how the last problem we're going to get it, right? Byproduct ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, but now running short of time, so I'll take one more tomorrow classes on the byproduct and we'll finish it. Okay? Please join me at 6:30 or somewhere 10 minutes here and there. Income from other source. We are going to solve securities. Securities is very important. All right? Chalo guys, I'll see you by 6:30, 6:45. Bye-bye. हाँ जी, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಪ್, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ರಿಯೂ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಯರ್. ಫೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.